Gogu, you shouldn't roam around like this. Someone might see you.
존 씨가 어디 살아요?
Sorry, I don't understand what you're saying.
She's asking for Mr. John's address.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay.
Gogu, I didn't understand what she said.
She was speaking Korean.
You know Korean?
I understand every language on earth.
Really? Gogu, go hide in the room. I need to get to school on time. See you after school.
Good morning, class.
Good morning,
ma'am.
Colin, come here. Can you jump?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now say 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Good. You can go back to your desk. Now, Aadi, come here. Can you jump 3 times?
1, 2, 3.
Now, turn left. Now, turn right. Jira, Allah is Guirda.
I don't understand, ma'am.
What happened?
We didn't understand, ma'am.
That's because I spoke in a different language. When I asked you in English, you did it well, but you got confused when I asked in Spanish because you don't know Spanish. For homework, you all find out different types of languages.
Papa, how many languages are there?
There are many languages, little lady, like French and Italian.
Gogu, do you know how many languages there are in the world?
Yes, Aadi. There are over 7,000 languages spoken all around the world.
Wow, that's a lot. Can you tell me a few of them? Mrs. Neera asked us to find out.
Sure. In India, we speak Hindi, Tamil, and Bengali. In other countries, people speak English, German, Arabic, Thai, and Latin.
You're so cool, Gogu.
Class, I hope you've done your homework about languages.
Ma'am, Japanese and Korean are languages. And I like Korean food or ramen a lot.
Ma'am, French and Italian.
Correct. And anyone?
Ma'am, there are over 7,000 languages in the world. In India, we speak languages like Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, and Bengali. In other countries, people speak English, German, Arabic, Thai, and Latin. And robots can speak all of them.
Impressive. Where do you learn that robots speak so many languages?
Books, ma'am, from books.
Well done, everyone. Listen, we use the English language to communicate with each other. If you don't know the language, we cannot understand each other. Just like that, when we want to tell a computer to do a particular task, we have to use a specific language called a programming language. There are many programming languages, like Java, C++, Python, and many more. But from tomorrow onwards, we will study Python.
Ma'am, Python sounds scary.
Oh, Colin, it's not a slithery snake. It's just a friendly programming language. So, does everyone get what a programming language is?
Yes, ma'am. It's just computer language, not a snake.
Hi, friends. Today we learned that just like people use different languages to talk to each other, we need to use special languages to talk to computers and electronic devices. These special languages are called programming languages.